If Opera is showing you a DNS error, the good news is that this is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to clear Opera's hidden DNS cache, reset its socket connections, and also flush your Windows DNS cache so you can get back online fast. This is a simple troubleshooting method that works especially well when one browser is failing to load websites while everything else seems fine. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Alright, let's start with Opera's built-in network tools. Open Opera, then click into the address bar and type opera/netinternals/dns, then press enter. This hidden page lets you manage Opera's internal DNS cache. If that cache has a bad entry, it can prevent websites from loading correctly even when your internet connection is working. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Clear Host Cache. Click it to remove Opera's stored DNS records. This step forces Opera to stop using any outdated or corrupted address lookups and ask for fresh information instead. Next, we need to reset Opera's socket connections. In the address bar, type opera/netinternals/sockets and press enter. This takes you to another hidden network page inside Opera. Here, click Close Idle Sockets first and then click Flush Socket Pools. These options help clear out stuck or faulty network connections that may be causing the DNS error. After that, completely restart Opera. Close the browser fully, then open it again and try visiting the website that was giving you trouble. In many cases, that alone will fix the issue because Opera is now using a clean cache and fresh network connections. If the problem is still there, we'll move on to the Windows side of the fix. Sometimes the issue is not only inside Opera, but also in your system's DNS cache. To clear that, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the command we're about to run needs elevated permissions. When the Command Prompt window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Windows will clear its DNS resolver cache, which can remove bad or outdated records that are interfering with website loading. Once you see the confirmation message, the DNS cache has been successfully flushed. Now go back to Opera and test the site again. At this point, you've cleared Opera's hidden DNS cache, reset its sockets, and refreshed Windows DNS as well. That combination solves a lot of common Opera connection problems, especially DNS errors, loading failures, and pages that just keep spinning. If it still doesn't work after all of that, the issue may be with the website itself, your VPN, proxy settings, or your network provider. But in most cases, these steps are enough to get Opera working normally again. If this video helped you fix the DNS error, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more browser troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.